In geometry, we frequently use Heron's formula to get area of triangle, especially when the triangle is a scalene triangle. So today's video, we will derive Heron's formula to find area of triangle. Let's check proof of it. For that, let's drop a perpendicular from point A on side length BC and call this height as h centimeter. Now BD length, let's assume it's x centimeter. So DC length will be A minus x. Now in this full triangle is divided into two right angle triangle. So in this pink triangle, applying Pythagoras theorem, we get A minus x square plus h square is b square. Same way in the second triangle, applying Pythagoras theorem, we get x square plus h square is c square. That's it. Geometrical part, only this much is what we'll be using. Rest all is algebra, lot of algebra. So subtracting these two equations, we get x square cancelled on both. X square is getting cancelled down. LHS will be a minus x square minus x square. RHS will be b square minus c square. Now the LHS, applying a minus b whole square identity, will get terms in this form, and RHS is b square minus c square. Now here plus x square and negative x square are getting cancelled down. So your LHS, that will be, let's take a square on the other side. So LHS is minus 2ax, that's equals to b square minus c square minus a square. Taking negative 2a on the other side, we'll get value of x as your c square plus a square minus b square by 2a. Now this value will be putting in the second equation. From second equation we get your h square is c square minus x square. Now here putting the value of x from this observation as c square plus a square minus b square by 2a whole square. Now to simplify it, we'll be taking this, squaring this 2a, we'll get 4a square, and let's take this 1 by 4a square outside. Inside we'll be getting the first term as 4a square c square, and the second term will be as it is, that is c square plus a square minus b square whole square. Now to solve this, if we'll consider this 4a square, let's take it on the other side, we'll get this as 4a square h square, and this 2a square c square, that's nothing but whole square of 2ac, and this term we are writing as it is. Now again algebra, will be applying x square minus y square identity. So your first term will be 2ac plus c square a square minus b square, and the second term will be 2ac minus c square minus a square plus b square. So we have just applied x square minus y square is x plus y, x minus y. Now here comes the magic. In this first three terms, that's nothing but a plus c whole square, and the next term, these first three terms, these are giving me negative of a plus c, a minus c whole square. So now again applying your x square minus y square identity in the first term, will get x plus y times x minus y. Same thing in the second term, x square minus y square, we get x plus y and x minus y. Now if we'll take S as semi-perimeter, that is sum of all the sides divided by 2, then we get 2 times of S as a plus b plus c. Now if we'll subtract both the side by 2a, we'll get b plus c minus a as 2s minus 2a. So when you subtract 2a on the LHS, a and minus 2a will give me negative a. Same way, if you'll subtract 2b on both the side, you'll get this relation. 2c on both the side, you'll get this relation. And why we are doing this exercise? If you'll observe in our equation, this a plus b plus c, we can replace by 2s. A plus c minus b, we can replace it by 2s minus 2b. B plus a minus c, we can replace by 2s minus 2c, and so on. Now here, when you're simplifying it, in the RHS, 2 will come common from all the 4 terms. So we'll get 4a square h square is 16 times of s, s minus a, s minus c, s minus b. Dividing both the side by 16, we'll get your LHS as a square h square by 4, which is half of a times h square. And we know that this half of a times h, that is nothing but area of triangle. So when we take square root on both the side, we'll get LHS as area of triangle equals to S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And that's what we had to prove, hence proved. I hope you enjoyed this proof. I will see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.